Hi student, welcome to nice simplification Math Olympiad problem. In this question we solve 16 to power 6 minus 15 to power 6. So we are starting our solution 16 to power 6 minus 15 to power 6. Now in first step we write 16 to power, as you know that 6 is also equal to 3 multiplied by 2, and this will be 3 into 2 minus 15 to power 3 into 2. Next step, we write this 16 to power 3 into 2 minus 15 to power 3 into 2. Next step, this will be 16 to power 3 plus 15 to power 3 whole into power into 16 to power 3 minus 15 to power 3. Rewrite this. And now we are using formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now we are using this formula in this equation. 16 to multiply by 3 is also equal to 216 000. We get this video after calculation, and b is 15 to 3, that is 125 3 times 0. Repeat this value, 216 3 times 0 minus b is 125 3.0. Now calculate these values. We get 216 plus 125, 213, and 102 13, and this will be 2 and 2 4, and this is second 5 11 and 1 0 0 0. Now into 216 minus 125, that is 9 1 0 0 0. So after multiplication these values, we get 3 into power 4 1 0 0 0 into, we also simplify this, 9 into 1 9,000 plus 1,000 is also equal to 91,000. We write 9,000 plus 1,000 is also 91,000. That is equal to 3 4 1 0 0 0 into 9 0 plus 1,000. So in next step, we are multiplying these values. After multiplying, we get the value 3069 1 2 3, this 4, and this time 5, and this time 6, and this time 7. After calculation, we get the value 3069 into 7 times 0 plus this multiplied by this, and as we noted, we get 341 6 times 0, 3 times this, 3 times this. After this, after adding these, we get value, our final value is 3 1 0 3 1 0 0 0, and also again 0 0 0. After calculation, we get this value. You use to find this value, also use calculator, or if you are a mind master, you calculate this manually, but too difficult to calculate these values manually, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 12 12 digits value. It is too difficult for human brain. Now this is our final answer of this short and tricky Math Olympiad problem. Hope you will understand. If you have any question, write in comment box. Goodbye.